All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to make like a little hypertext link inside of your posts that you make on Discord, which is kind of handy because then it lets you clean up like really long links, kind of like this one up here, to make sure that you can keep your posts nice and tidy while also getting the message across of whatever this link is supposed to be. Then if you hover over it, you can see that this particular one, just so that no one gets, the jump on you and tries to link you to something bad, this particular hyperlink, if I hover over it, tells me it's going to imgur.com. So all you have to do to make a hyperlink is first, with these little brackets, the square ones, we're going to type in whatever text we want. So in this case, I'll link like a Chupacabra tutorials video. So this is like the easy way to set up and use PS4 Windows. And then we'll use the other side of the square bracket. And then you put the actual address of whatever website you want to go to inside the curved brackets or the parentheses, whichever one you want to call it. So from there, we want to actually like copy and paste my link. I've got it open in the other channel here, or in my other window. And you put another curved bracket there, and then you can continue to type out the rest of your message uninterrupted. And then when you post it, there you go. It turns my middle message into a hyperlink, but it doesn't mess with the remainder of the text that I posted. Now, the other thing that can happen is it'll also automatically embed depending on the rules of the channel and the server that you're on. Not every server is going to let you do this because, well, some servers don't like it because you can do weird things with embeds. But some servers allow you to use both the hypertext stuff and they also let you embed stuff. If you don't want this message to be embedded because it just wastes a lot of visual space, maybe you're putting this sort of stuff in like a FAQ page for a mod, or you're trying to put like little embeds into like a rules or an announcements channel. Sometimes you don't want to have an entire embed here taking up space. So you're going to hit this little X, remove all embeds, and then boom, it's gone. So that's it. All you gotta do is remember that inside the square brackets is your message, and then inside the curved brackets is your URL or web address. And then you can hit enter and it'll do its thing automatically so long as it detects an actual URL inside of the brackets. Otherwise, it just posts the brackets and doesn't do anything with them. So that's how you do hypertext linking inside of Discord. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.